ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടതോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. As you can see, we are doing a combined class today because of the long weekend, I know half the people were not available in both the classes. So I didn't want to unnecessarily lose a week. So I thought we'll still have a combined class, and those who are not able to join can always listen to the recording. So we'll do a quick review of 27. So maybe today, Shubhadra and Vasu, if you can do 27, and then Jayashree and Srilata Garu, you can be students today, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you asked me to say, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now prepare correct, but I'll try.
Okay. Shubhadra, you go first, and then Vasu, you can go second. Yeah.
Sure. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Durvasasura Divyamalyam Sakraya Swayam Ubadaya Tatra Bhuyah Nagendra Pratimridite Shashaba Shakram Kakshandi Pratitara Devatam Shajanam Shabena Pratidajare Nirjarendre Deveshvapyasurajideshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadhya Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu Brahmadhyai Stutamahimachiram Tadanim Pratusyan Varadapura Parena Dhamna He Deva Ditichakulai Pidhaya Santim Piyusham Parimatateti Paryashasvam Sandanam Kritavati Danavai Surauke Mandanam Nayati Matena Mandaradrim Brashtesmin Padaramivotvahanta Kendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Bayodau Adaya Tridamatavashugim Paradram Padodau Vinihita Sarva Bija Jale Prarabde Madana Vidau Surasuraistaihi Vyajatvam Bujagamuke Karo
Surarin. Long. Surarin.
Surarin Shubdadrau Shubita Jalodare Tadanim Duktabdau Gurutara Bharato Nimagne Deveshu Yatitadameshu Tatpa Priyaishu Pranaishi Kamatatanum Katora Prishtam Vajrati Stiradara Garbarena Vishno Vistarat Parigata Lakshya Yojanena Ambode Guruhara Kadena Varshmanatvam Nirmagnam Shitidharanata Unnineta.
Shubha, the first line there is no visarga at the end of that line. Vishnu, that's all.
Okay.
And then the second line, the Vistarat Parigata Laksha, the full Ksha, Laksha Yojan.
Yeah, okay. Vajrati Stiradara Garparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigada Laksha Yojanena Ambode Kuharakade Gatena Varshmanatvam Nirmagnam Shitidharanata Munnineta Unmagne Jatiti Tadatarendre Nirmetu Tridamiha Nesammadena Sarve Avishyat Vidayaganepi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avivridastan Uddama Pramanajavonnamat Kirindranyastaigastiradharahasta Pangajam Twam अभ्रान्ते विधिगिरिशायद प्रमोदा
शाधय
अभ्रान्ते विधिगिरशादय प्रमोदान् उत्भ्रान्तात् नुनुगुपात पुष्पवर्षाः.
The third line end is pramodat it. So abhrante vidigiri.
Okay. Abhrante vidigirisadaya pramodat upranta nunugupata pushpavarshaha. दैत्यौके भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदाप्ते कारुण्यात् तव किल देववारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन्नमरगणान्न दैत्यशङ्गान् उद्भ्राम्य बहुतिमिनग्रचक्रवाले तत्राब्दौ चिरमतितेऽपि निर्विकारे येगस्त्वं करयुगकृष्टशर्पराजः सम्राजन् भुवनपुरेश सम्राजन् पवनपुरेश पाहि रोगात्. श्रीकृष्णः परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Vasu, can you do it, or we can do it next time, like your choice?
I will try.
Okay.
Tappardana tittadingo.
I'll just correct it. That's all.
Yeah. This time, to be very honest, I didn't have time to prepare, but I prepared, but just I'll try. Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Durvasas Suravanitapta Divyamalyam Shakraya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram Kakshantis Vaditara Devatam Shajanam.
The first line of Durva is a sa, it's a long. Okay, Durva sas Suravanitapta Divya Malyam. So I think you put the a at the Malyam, and Durva sala you remove the a out.
Okay.
Anyway, you can continue. Go to the next one. Go to this next one. I said, sorry.
Shapena Pratita Jareta Nirjarendre Deveshvapya Surajateshu Nishprabheshu Sarvadyaf Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantamapuhu Brahmate Stutamahima Chiram Tadanim Pradushyan Varada Puraf Parena Dhamna He Deva Didita Jakula Didita Jakula Ma He Deva Didita Jakula
Ditija. That's the word.
Ditija. Okay. He Deva Didita Kulair Vidhaya Sandhim Piyusham Parimatateti Paryashastvam.
Yeah, and the second line number 2, it's Pradushan, not Shan ya kadiyadanga. Okay, it's Pradushan.
Pradushan. Okay.
Yeah.
Pradushan. Okay. Sandanam Kritavatati Danvai Surauge Mantanam Nayati Madena Mantaradhim Brashtesmin Badaram Vibho. Can you just help me with that?
Yeah. Brashtesmin Badaram Ivodvahan. So Badaram Ivodvahan Kagendre.
Brashtesmin Badaram Ivodkagendre Sadyastvam Vinihitavan Payyaf Payodhau Adhaya Drutamata Vasukim Varatram Pataudau Vinihita Sarva Bija Jale
Patodau
पातौ दौ विनिहित सर्वबीजजाले प्रारब्धे मथनविदौ सुरैस्तैः व्याजात्वं भुजगमुखे करो सुरारीं शुब्दाद्रौ जलोधरे तदानीं दुग्धादौ गुरुतर भारतो निमग्ने गुरुतर भारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषेष कमततनुं कठोर पृष्ठाम्.
Yeah, and the visarga joining is h, right? So praneshih, sound.
Praneshik.
Ik kadiyadu. It's a h. Praneshih.
Praneshih.
Yeah. So it's a she, right? So it's a she. Now think of it as shee, she, right? And then put a h at the end of it. So praneshih kamatatanum.
Praneshih kamatatanum kato prishtam vajrati stiratar karparena vishno vistarat parigata विस्तारात् परिगत लक्ष्योजनेन लक्ष्योजनेन अम्बोदेश कुहरगतेन वश्मनात्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनाथ मुनिननेत नातम उन्नीनेत. Okay. क्षितिधरनाथं मुन्निनेत उन्मग्ने जटिति धराधरेन्द्रे
दृढम् इह.
Okay. निर्मेतृदृढम् इह सम्मधेन सर्वे आविश्य द्वितीगणेनापि सर्पराजे वैवश्यं परिशाम्यान्
Parishamayan. So first on the third line is dvitaya, not dvitiya. Okay, dvitaya.
Okay. Yeah.
Vaivashyam parishamayanna vibridasthan.
Vaivashyam parishamayan.
Shamayan.
Vaivashyam parishamayan navi.
Navibridastan.
Uddama brahmana javonnamat girendre nyastaika stiratara hasta pankajam tvam sorry abrante girishaya
shadaya
abrante vidigiri shadaya pramodatau
Pramodat.
Oh, kira tu varada. Pramodat varada.
It.
Okay. Pramodat udbranta nunuvuru patat pushpa varshaha.
Pata pushpa varshaha.
Nunuvur pata pushpa varshaha. Daityauge bhujaga mukha nilena tapte. Tenaiva tridashakulepi kinchidatre karunyatava kila deva varivaha pravarshan amaraganana daitya sangan.
And because we are saying that the last line together, pravarshan amaraganan na dhaitya sangan, that na has to come, not the asuras. So
okay. Pravrishan amaragana na daitya sangan Udbramyad bahumiti nakra chakravali tatrabdau chiramati tepi nirvikare ekatsvam karayuga krishta sarparajah samrajan pavanapurisha pahirogat. Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Yeah, the first line mattum udbramyat bahu timi nakra. Timi is fish, nakra is, so bahu timi nakra.
Okay. Udbramyat bahutimi nakra chakravali.
Correct.
Okay. Sorry. Now next time I'll practice good.
Yeah, then I won't pick you, so don't worry. But do practice. That doesn't mean you should not practice. So.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we'll get going. I think we did, I think 6 stanzas of 30, right? So Jayashree and Srilata. So Srilata Garu, do you want to do the first 6 and then we'll get started with the 7th one? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. श्रीमन्नारायणीये त्रिंशं दशकं वामनावतारवर्णनं श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। शक्रेण संयतिहतोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः।
Sorry to interrupt you. That is a wrong tune. Shakrena samyati hatopi balirmahatma.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Thanks, Rajesh Kari. शक्रेण संयति हतोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे सतव चक्रमुखादभीतः पुत्रार्तिदर्शनवशाददितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोव्रताख्यं साद्वादशाहमचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा तस्यावधौ तयि निलीनमतेरमुष्याः श्यामश्चतुर्भुजवपुः स्वयमाविरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः त्वं काश्यपे तपसि सन्निदधत्तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि गर्भमदिते प्रणुतो विधात्रा प्रासूत च प्रकट वैष्णव दिव्य रूपं साद्वादशी श्रवण पुण्य दिने भवन्तं पुण्याश्रमं तमभिवर्षति पुष्पवर्षैः हर्षाकुले सुरगणे कृततूर्य घोषे बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं जय जयेति नुतः पितृभ्यां त्वं तत्क्षणे पटुतमं वटुरूपमाधाः तावत् प्रजापतिमुखैर्पणीयमौञ्जी दण्डाजिनाक्षवलयादिभिरच्यमानः देदीप्यमानव वपुरीश कृताग्निकार्यः त्वं प्रास्थिता बलिगृहं प्रकृताश्वमेधम्.
Very good. The first 2 lines are joined in that 6th stanza. I think your tune is still the wrong tune, but no mistakes in the pronunciation, right? So
I'll practice the tune, Rajesh.
Okay. So we'll start with 7. Gatrena bhavi mahimochita gauravam prak vyabrunvate badharanim chalayan nayasihim Chatram paroshmatiranartamiva dadhano dandam chadhana vajaneshviva sannidhatum. So we saw last time how the Vamana avataram happens, right? And then they do Upanayanam for him, and then they give him the they put the punal, and they also give a staff or a stick that the brahmacharis hold, and he then departs to the place where Bali is doing his Ashwamedha Yagnya. So Vamana is going there. So here Bhattatripad is saying, as you are walking, O Krishna, as you are walking as Vamana, you are still a Brahma, you're still a small boy, right? It's like we said last time, 7 or 8 or 9 years old. But the earth was already beginning to shake, and it was like a warning to everybody that what is going to be coming later, right? And then you were holding your umbrella, which was one of the other things which he was having. And this umbrella, while he was holding it to save himself from the heat, it was as if when people begin to attack, it is to ward off as a defense. So it's kind of like a simile, right? He's just comparing. You're holding it as if It is telling in the future how you are going to now defend yourself, right, against all the asuras. And the stick that you were carrying was also an indicator that all these asuras and all these bad people are going to get beaten by you, right? That's an indicator. Those are the three things that you're carrying: a stick, a staff, the stick, an umbrella, and then the earth is beginning to shake already. So Gatrena Bhavi Mahimochita Gauravam Prak, put a ik, k, and a line under ik, and then a comma, prak, comma. Next line, if you have a half g, remove that off, that goes away. Vyabrinva teva dharanim chalayanna yasihi. Chalayanna yasihi. Chatram paroshmati ranartam ivadadhano. That's how you can break it. Ranartam ivadadhano, comma. Dandam cha danava janeshviva sannidhatum. Gatrena bhavi mahimochita gauravam prak vyabrinvateva dharanim chalayanna yasihi. Chatram paroshmati ranartam ivadadhano. Dhandam chadana vajaneshviva sannidhatum. Jai Shri Chudela first.
गात्रेण भावि महिमोचित गौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वतेव धरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरणार्थमिवादधानो दण्डं च दानवजनेष्विव सन्निधातुम्. गात्रेण भावि महिमोचित गौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वतेव धरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरणार्थमिवादधानो दण्डं च दानवजनेष्विव सन्निधातुम्.
गात्रेण भावि महिमोचित गौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वतेव धरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरनार्थमिवादधानो दण्डं च दानवजनेष्विव सन्निधातुम्.
Janeshviva.
गात्रेण भावि महिमोचित गौरवं प्राक् व्यावृण्वतेव धरणीं चलयन्नयासीः छत्रं परोष्मतिरनार्थमिवादधानो दण्डं च दानवजनेष्विव सन्निधातुम्.
Then again, that word Janeshviva, I'm hearing it slightly some other word. When you, Janeshviva. Janeshviva.
Viva. Okay,
Yeah.
Janeshviva. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Stanza 8. So before I go to stanza 8, I'll just ask a question. I know what people will answer. Where do you think this Vamana avataram happened? Mute if you're trying to answer.
Kerala.
Andhra, Narmada.
It didn't happen in Kerala. It happened kind of in Maharashtra, that region, right? So I'll explain as you go to the next stanza. So that's why I didn't want to say the stanza, then you'll get the hint of what it is. So stanza 8. Tam narmado taratate hayameda shalam ase dushitwairucha tabaruddhanetraihi bhaswan kimesha dahanonu sanat kumaro yogi nukoyamiti shukramukai shashanke. So where he's going is Narmada Uttara Taratate, means on the northern banks of river Narmada. So you don't know exactly where, but if you look at the map of Narmada, it is kind of going over, it's in Maharashtra, and then it probably goes further. I don't know how far right it goes to Maharashtra, but it is the northern banks of the river Narmada. That's where this, Hayameda Shalam, where the Ashwamedha Yajna is happening, which is where Vamana is going. Now, in Kerala, they celebrate Onam. For Mahabali is coming to earth is why they are celebrating. It's not necessarily that Vamana Avataram happened, because in the 36th chapter, which we're going to learn, Parashurama Avataram, the last stanza, Bhattatripat talks about how Parashurama put his axe and carved out, removed the water and carved out a land, which then becomes Kerala. So that is happening further down, 36 chapters. So technically at this time of period, they just water over Kerala, right? No land. So that's where the Vamana Avataram happened, Narmada Uttara Taratati, on the northern banks of the river Narmada. So that's where Vamana goes, where this Bali Chakravarti is doing his Ashwamedha Yajna. So when he goes there, and the tejas of the Vamana is showing up. So Shukracharya, who is the guru for Bali, right, Bali Maharaja, all of them are looking at this person who has come in, and they are really surprised and they are stunned, and they're saying, is this Baswan? Is this the sun? Or Dahano? Is this Agni? Or is it Sanat Kumara? Like, who has come here? Because the radiance is showing so much that they thought that the Sanat Kumara or Agni or Surya Deva themselves have actually come there, and they're really surprised to see this Koyamiti. Who is this person? That Shukracharya and everybody else there are really surprised and dazzled when Vamana walks in there. So Tam Narmadot Taratate. So Narmada Uttara Taratate. So Narmadot Taratate Hayameda Shalam. Put a im at the end of that line and put a comma. Hayameda Shalam, comma. Next line, Mase Dushi, remove the ma. It becomes Ase Dushi. Twai Rucha Tava Ruddha Netraihi. Bhaswan Kimesha Dahano Nu Sanat Kumaro, comma, Yogi Tu Koyam Iti Shukra Mukaish Shashanke.
Rajesh,
Mukaisha.
Yogi Nuva, Yogi Tuva, last line.
Yogi Nu.
Nu தானே ho.
ஆமா nu.
இல்ல சுக்ர முகை அதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன?
Shukra Mukaish. Anga, do you have a visarga or do you have a ish already there?
விசர்கா தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, then you put a ish to join it. That's all. Because the Shashanke is the next word, right? So the joining is the ish. Some books automatically have the ish. Yeah.
And Rajesh, Sanat Kumaraha dane potrikkinga.
Yeah, there's some books, that's what I'm saying. Some books and the Sanat Kumaraha or Kumaro, and the couple of times it came again, right? It just put a visarga, sometimes put a o. So just change it to Sanat Kumaro.
Kumarova.
Yeah. Tam Narmadottaratate Hayamedashalam Ase Dushittoirucha Tavaruddhanetraihi Bhaswan Kimesha Dahanonu Sanat Kumaro Yogi Nukoyamiti Shukra Mukaisha Shanke.
Tam Narmadottaratate Hayamedashalam Ase Dushittvairucha Tavaruddhanetraihi Bhaswan Kimesha Dahano Nu Sanat Kumaro Yogi Nukoyamiti Shukra Mukhaisha Shanke. Tam Narmadottaratate Hayamedashalam Ase Dushittvairucha Tavaruddhanetraihi Bhaswan Kimesha Dahano Nu Sanat Kumaro Yogi Nukoyamiti Shukra Mukhaisha Shanke.
Tam Narmadottaratate Hayamedashalam Ase Dushitvairucha Tavaruddhanetraihi Bhaswan Kimesha Dahano Nu Sanat Kumaro Yogi Nukoyamiti Shukra Mukhaisha Shanke. Tam Narmadottaratate Hayamedashalam Ase Dushitvairucha Tavaruddhanetraihi Bhaswan Kimesha Dahano Nu Sanat Kumaro Yogi Nukoyamiti Shukra Mukhaisha Shanke.
Stanza 9. Anitamashu bhrigubhir mahasabhibhutaihi Tvam ramya rupamasurav pulakavritangah Bhaktya sametya sukruti parinijya padho Tatto yamanvadritam hurdhani tirtha tirtam. So by
ஒரு
looking
சின்ன
at
क्वेश्चन ராஜேஷ், அந்த பரிபூஜ்ய பாதம்னு போட்டு சுக்ருதி மூணாவது லைன்ல என்ன சொன்னேன்?
oh parinijya. Paripujya, the difference is paripujya means you're worshipping the pada. You're worshipping. I'll come to that. So just hold on for one second.
என்னோடதுல பரிபூஜ்யன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll just come there. So by looking at Twam Ramya Rupam, by looking at your form, right? Like we said earlier, is it Sanat Kumara or is it son or all that? So Shukracharya and his descendants, whoever are there, all the sages, they all welcome this brahmachari inside the Yagashala, and then they kind of make him sit and everything. And the Bali Chakravarti, he is also Sukruti Asuraha. He's also very fortunate Asura. Although he's an Asura by birth, right? Like we said earlier, he's the grandson of Prahlada. So he's very fortunate. He has done a lot of good deeds also. So he's also a very kind person by heart, except that he has a lot of garvam. He has a lot of pride. So that's the reason this avataram is happening, to eliminate that pride. But he's a nice person by heart. So he's also very thrilled, right? So the Pulaka Vritangaha. So that's a word Bhattacharya uses in a lot of places, which is like pullarikar, the horripilation, right? Your hair is standing all over your body. So he's really thrilled to receive Vamana. And then he gets him inside the Yagashala as well. So that's why Parinajya Pado or Paripujya Pado. Parinajya Pado means to wash your feet. Paripujya Pado means to worship or puja, worshipping the feet, right? But most of the books had Parinijya. So if you have Paripujya, you can change it to Parinijya. Nijya, Nijya. So he worships, or he worships the feet, or he waters the feet, because that's the first thing you do when a Brahmin comes or a Pujari comes, is they wash the feet, right? So he then washes that feet, and then the Tirtham itself means purified water. Tirtha means the highest purified water amongst all purified water, which is the water that your feet was washed with. So that water, to Murdhani, in his head, he sprinkles that water. So he washes your feet, and then the water that comes out of that, he then sprinkles that, and he's really blessed to have sprinkled that water on his head. And that's why the Parinijya is more relevant, because he's taking that washed water and sprinkling, right? But Paripujya also, like, contextually is okay. So Anitam Ashu Bhrigubhir Mahasa Bibhutaihi. Put a visarga at the end of that line, Bibhutaihi, and the comma. Next line, the is, if you have, remove that is. Twam Ramya Rupam Asuraha is there. Put a F to join it. Twam Ramya Rupam Asuraf Pulaka Vritangaha Bhaktya Sametya Sukruti Parinijya Padau, comma, Tattoyam Anvadrita. Tattoyam means, toyam means water. Tattoyam means that water. Tattoyam Anvadrita Murdhani Tirtham.
சேர்த்து சொல்லாமா லாஸ்ட் லைன்?
Tattoyam
தத்தோயம்
Anvadrita.
ஓகே.
Anitamashu Bhrigubir Mahasabhibhutaihi Twam Ramya Rupamasura Pulaka Vritangaha Bhaktya Sametya Sukruti Parinijya Padau Tattoyam Anvadrita Murdhani Tirtham.
Anitamashu Bhrigubir Mahasabhibhutaihi. Correct. Anitamashu Bhrigubir Mahasabhibhutaihi Twam Ramya Rupamasura Pulaka Vritangaha Bhaktya Sametya Sukruti Parinijya Padau Tattoyam Anvadrita Murdhani Tirtham.
So third line la Sukruti, long E, Sukruti Parinijya, and fourth line la Murdhani, full dha.
Murdhani, okay. Murdhani Tirtham.
Yeah.
Anitamashu Bhrigubhir Mahasabhibhutaihi Twam Ramya Rupamasura Pulaka Vritangaha भक्त्या समेत्य सुकृति परिनिज्य पादौ तत्तोयमन्वदृतमूर्धनि तीर्थतीर्थम्
आनीतमाशु भृगभिर्महसाभिभूतैः त्वां रम्य रूपमसुरः पुलकावृताङ्गः भक्त्या समेत्य सुकृति परिनिज्य पादौ तत्तोयमन्वद्रुतमूर्धनि तीर्थतीर्थम् आनीतमाशु भृगभिर्महसाभिभूतैः त्वां रम्य रूपमसुरः पुलकावृताङ्गः भक्त्या समेत्य सुकृति परिनिज्य पादौ तत्तोयमन्वद्रुतमूर्धनि तीर्थतीर्थम्
Uncertain. प्रह्लादवंशजतया क्रतुभिर्द्विजेषु विश्वासतोऽनुथदितं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोभिलाल्यं स त्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेताः. So Bhattacharya in several places he says that the most important part of Guruvayurappan, your body, is your feet, right? And then he says in the 100th chapter, second last stanza, he'll say the Yogindranam Tvadangesh Vedikas Madaram Bhakti Bhajam Nivaso. He says all your devotees and the highest of the devotees, they reside in your feet, right? And not in your heart, not in your head. They are all in your feet. And even when the 100th chapter, when he's describing the Lord, he first starts with the head and then he finishes at the feet. He says, because that's the most. So here also he says is this Bali Chakravarti is such a fortunate person because the water that is coming off your feet, which is like the Tirtham, he is able to sprinkle on his head. And Bhattacharya is asking, why is that? Why is he fortunate? Is he fortunate because Prahlada Vamsha Jataya? Because he came in the ancestry of Prahlada. He's a grandson of Prahlada. Is it because he's the grandson of Prahlada? Or is Kratubihi Dvijeshu? He's performed lot of sacrifices. He's performed 99 Ashwamedha Yagya. This is the 100th that he's performing right now, right? That's why Vamana is coming at this point, because once he does 100, then he becomes the next Indra. So he's performed so many sacrifices. Is it because of that that he's become famous? Or Dvijeshu, Dvija means Brahmin, which is twice born. So anytime a Brahmin puts a Punar or Upanayanam, he's born again. So he's a born again person, Dvijeshu. So he worships, and you can see from here, right? When Vamana came, he was a brahmachari, he immediately worshipped him. So is it because of his faith in good men? Is whatever the reason may be, it could be any of these reasons or all of these reasons, that he's really fortunate to have sprinkled the water that touched your feet on his head. So here he ends it. Oh, that Lord, Sattvam Vibho, Guru Puralaya, the one who resides in Guruvayur, Palayeta, please protect me. That he finishes, Bhattacharya finishes the second 30. So Prahlada Vamsha Jataya Kratubhir Dvijeshu, comma, Vishwasato Nu Tadidham Ditijopi Lebhe Yatte Padambhu Girishasya Shirobhi Lalyam, comma, Sa Tvam Vibho Gurupuralaya Palayetaha.
Question on the second line. Vishwasato, is it nu, not tu?
Nu.
Nu.
Yeah. Vishwasato nu. So in any time that last line, the sa and the tvam come, right? You'll see that they have always put a gap. There are two different words, sa, tvam. So just when I say it also, you put a very small pause. So don't say satvam, right? Say sa, tvam, so that you, okay? Prahlada Vamshajataya Kratubhirdvijeshu Vishwasato Nuthadidam Ditijopi Lebhe Yatte Padambugirishasya Shirobhilalyam Sattvam Vibho Gurupuralaya Palayetaha.
Prahlada Vamsanu.
Prahlada Vamshajataya Kratubhirdvijeshu विश्वासतो नु तदिदं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोभिलाल्यं स त्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेथाः प्रह्लादवंशजतया क्रतुभिर्द्विजेषु विश्वासतो नु तदिदं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोभिलाल्यं सत्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेथाः
प्रह्लादवंशजतया क्रतुभिर्विजेषु विश्वासतो नु तदिदं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोभिलाल्यं तत्त्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेताः.
That first line at the end, Dvijeshu, is a short U, not a U.
Okay. Vijeshu. प्रह्लादवंशजतया क्रतुभिर्विजेषु विश्वासतो नु तदिदं दितिजोऽपि लेभे यत्ते पदाम्बुगिरिशस्य शिरोभिलाल्यं तत्त्वं विभो गुरुपुरालय पालयेताः. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Okay, so we'll continue with 31. So 30 and 31 are the continuation, right? Anyways. So this is the tune for the 31 is like the first chapter kind of tune, right? The 4-liners kind of tune.
Rajesh ji, just one question before going to the last, which one?
Shirobhilalyam. Is it la or la?
La, just la.
The second letter is also la?
Yeah, both are la only, not the la.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah, sure. 31. प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वथापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं सञ्जगाध मत्तः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वद त्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये. So now that the Vamana has come inside, looking at, like we said earlier, Bali Maharaja anyway was very impressed and he washes the feet and everything. All of that happened in the previous one. And he then kind of folds his hand, right? So Anjalim, so he's standing in an Anjali position, he's folding his hands and then asks Vamana, "Oh Viprasuno Vadatvam, oh Viprasuno, oh Brahmin boy," addresses him as a boy and says, "Oh Brahmin boy, what do you want from me?" Right? Because I'm really impressed with you. So, like anytime, like we go to the, kids go visit their grandparents and all, the first thing they're like so happy. They're like, "Tell me whatever you want. I'll get you whatever you want." Right? So similarly, he comes and says, "I'm just so happy looking at you. You're just so pleasant looking. So tell me, what do you want?" And then he says, "Do you need vittam? Do you need money? Or do you need food? Or do you need bhavanam? Do you need house? Or do you need land? Right? Tell me which one you want. And or do you need sarvam vapi? Or do you need everything?" Right? So do you need wealth, food, house, or land? Tell me what do you want, and I shall give you. Pradase, I'll be happy to give you because I'm just so impressed with you. So Bali is saying that to Vamana. So Pritya Daityaha, that is there after Daitya. So remove that is and put a visarga and a comma. So Pritya Daityaha. Tava Tanu Mahaha. So put a if to join. Tava Tanu Mahaf Prekshanat Sarvatapi, comma. Tvam Aradhyan Najita. So Tvam Aradhyan Najita, comma. Next word is Rachayan and Anjalim, but because that in is ending, it becomes a double na. So Rachayan Nanjalim Sanjagada. So we can just do two lines on this because the tune is little bit not as easy as the other chapters to say this.
Rajesh, a quick question. Swam Aradhayan Ajitan.
So same logic. This is the Aradhyan Ajita, but on the in, if it ends, the previous word ends with the in, and the next word starts with the a, and you're saying it together, it becomes a double na.
Okay.
Same thing is happening in Rachayan Anjalim becomes Rachayan Nanjalim.
Okay.
Okay. Prithya Daityah Tavatanu Mahah Prekshanat Sarvatapi Twamaradhyan Najita Rachayan Nanjalim Sanjagadha.
Can you sing one more time?
Yeah. Oh, sing and Choladingo, then I'll get very conscious because my singing is really bad.
No.
So if
You are
say
singing
chant, I
fine.
am more comfortable. I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
chant.
Yeah. It's too much joke actually. Prithya Dhaityah Tavatanu Mahah Prekshanat Sarvatapi Twamaradhyan Najita Rachayan Nanjalim Sanjagadha.
Rajesh, sorry for asking you.
Yeah.
Tvamam Aradhyan. நம்ம சொல்லும் போதே அது அஜித்த செஞ்சிருமா or split பண்ணி நஜித்தன்னு சொல்லணுமா?
No, you say it at double na only. Twamaradhyan Najita. But if you say it fast enough, you won't see any difference.
Okay. Then Rachayan Nanjalim.
Same logic, right? Rachayan Anjalim, but it's double na there as well because it ends with the in. So even that you say it fast, you won't find any difference at all.
Okay.
Rachayan Anjalim Sanjagada அப்படி சொன்னா தெரியாது அது.
Okay.
प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वथापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं संजगाद. கரெக்ட்டா சொன்னேனா?
கரெக்ட்டா சொன்னேன். The first line வந்து api is a short p, not the long p.
Oh, okay.
Sarvatapi.
प्रीत्या दैत्यः तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि. करेक्ट ताने? सर्वतापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयनञ्जलिं संजगाद.
Exactly. If you break it at that Rachayan, then it will become Anjalim. But if you say it as one word, Rachayan Anjalim
Sanjagada,
Radhyan Najita, then it wouldn't make any difference at all.
प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं संजगाद. प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि त्वामाराध्यन्नजित रचयन्नञ्जलिं संजगाद.
Mattaha is there, so put a ih to join it. Mattah kimte samabhilashitam, comma, viprasuno vada tvam, comma, vittam, double tha, vittam bhaktam, bhavanam avanim vapi, comma, sarvam pradasye.
ஒரு क्वेश्चन ராஜேஷ், என்னோடதுல வியக்தம் பக்தம்
ஆமா
வியக்தம்னு போட்டுருக்கு எங்க புக்ல.
Oh,
last
okay.
line la
Yeah, just change it.
bhaktam.
Yeah, change. I'm sure like this, there are always two variations of that. I don't know what vyaktam means. So change
என்ன
it.
மாத்திக்கணும்?
Vittam. 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 With and actually THAM. Vittam. Mattah kim te samabhilashitam viprasuno vadatvam vittam bhaktam bhavanam avanim vapi sarvam pradhasye.
ஒரு தடவை சொல்லிடுங்க.
Mattah kim te samabhilashitam viprasuno vadatvam vittam bhaktam bhavanam avanim vapi sarvam pradhasye.
मत्त किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वदत्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वाप. அது भवनमवनीं वापि சேர்த்து சொல்லிடணுமா?
Yeah, just say it together, it's easier.
वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये. मत्तः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वदत्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये.
அந்த வாபி க்கு அப்புறம் காமா இருக்கு. Okay, or if it is, I'm just thinking, give me 1 second. Yeah, or maybe we can just put a comma after bhavanim. Okay, so vapi sarvam pradasye, we can just stop it before after bhavanam avanim. just move your comma there. Yeah. Okay, Srilata, go ahead.
मत्तः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वदत्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये मत्तः किं ते समभिलषितं विप्रसूनो वदत्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये.
Answer 2. तामक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्य कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमनां दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्. So on hearing Upakarnya, on listening to Bali's pride, bold voice, Bali in a very bold way, Bali saying, ask whatever you want. Do you want this, or can I give you everything? When he asks all that, you are Karunya Purnopi. You are a person of Krishna who's full of compassion, right? And your goal or objective here is to curb his pride, to remove Bali's pride away, right? And that was the purpose of this avataram. So to completely remove his pride. So what he first Vamana does is he's in Daitya Vamsham. He praises the lineage, his lineage, because Prahlada is his grandfather again. So he praises the lineage, saying, you are a very fortunate person. You are a the lineage. He's just praising Bali first and all his lineage. And then Prarthaya masitaha. You then ask. Prarthaya means you're not actually demanding, you're asking, or begging, but not quite begging, but then asking in a very nice way. Prarthayam, you're saying Pada Traya Parimita. So just he says, give me land which is just measuring to 3 feet, 3 of my feet. Pada Traya, 3 of my feet. So he says, just give me land which is equivalent to the space occupied by 3 of my feet. Because here Bhattaripat says, Sarvam Dehidu. If because Bali said, hey, do you want wealth or land or money or house? If Krishna or Vamana said, just give me everything. Apdin, if he had said, then Kasya Hasyam, wouldn't people have ridiculed you? Right? So we also tell the child, right? If people ask you 5 things, don't say yes to everything, just pick one. So Bhattaripat is saying, if you had said yes to everything he would have said, then people would have ridiculed you. So that's why you didn't say yes to everything. You just said, just give me 3 feet of land that measured by my foot. So Tam Akshinham Bali Giram Upakarnya, comma, Karunya Purnopi. Add a P at the end of it, short P, Purnopi, comma. Next line, the Pya, P-Y-A, Pya. Remove that out and put A. Asyotsekam Shamayitumana, comma, Daitya Vamsham Prashamsan. Tamakshiham Baligiramupakarnya Karunya Purnopi Asyotsekam Shamayitumana Daitya Vamsham Prashamsan. And the pair, we are breaking the pair into P and A. And we are moving the P to that first line and R remains in the second line.
Okay, yes. Asyotsekam, yeah.
Correct. Asyotsekam.
Okay.
And the Samayitumana, and the Manaf Solnama, Anaha Solnama.
இல்ல மாங்க விசர்கா இல்லங்க ஜெனரலா தர்க் முன்னாடி விசர்கா இருக்காது so there's no visarga there so
எடுத்துலாமா ஓ புக்ல இருக்கு அதனால தான் கேக்குறேன்
okay you can remove it. Yeah.
Tamaksheenam Baligiram Upakarnya Tamaksheenam tune போயிடுது எனக்கு
Tamaksheenam Baligiram Upakarnya
Tamaksheenam Baligiram Upakarnya Karunya Purnopi Asyotsekam Shamayitumana Daitya Vamsham Prashamsan तामक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्य कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन्.
Yeah. In the generalization, the middle of every line we are going to take a pause mari. So adnala and the upakarnya kapram there's a comma. Okay.
तामाक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्य कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन्. तामाक्षीणां बलिगिरमुपाकर्ण्य कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन्.
Bhumim pada traya parimitam, comma, prartayam asita, or one word, prartayam asita, tvam, comma, sarvam dehiti tu nigatite, comma, kasya hasyam nava syat. Bhumim padatraya parimitam प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगतिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगतिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्. भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहेति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
Shilata garu, last line, dehiti.
देहीति. ओके, देहीति. ओके. भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहीति तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
Stanza 3. Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सधृप्यन् यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवाधान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अतदर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै. So when Vamana asks for that 3 feet worth of land, so Bali is saying that I am Vishveshamam, I am actually the lord of all the 3 worlds. Right? And if I'm a lot of all the 3 worlds, and you can ask for the whole earth with me, right? Sarvam bhumim, I can give you the whole earth, I can give you so much. And he says, you're insulting me, right? By just asking for just 3 pieces, 3 feet of land. And he's saying that's because you are a Balishaha. You are just a very small child. You are a very simple-minded child who doesn't know anything, right? You don't know the value of what is there. And you could have asked me for all these things. And this is just, you're going to end up missing it. And he said, he still says, you can still ask for everything. I can still give you whatever you want. Appadina Bali is saying. So here Bhattacharya is saying it is because of this pride that Bali had, right? That eventually he will end up not being able to give even 3 feet of land, right? Eventually. And because of that, he is subjected to all ridicule and everything later because he can't even give that. But the reason this was happening, right? The reason Bali was subjected to this was Ghadopashantya, is to have complete detachment, is because that he felt so proud of everything that he had. He thought he was the best. And eventually when he loses everything, and then he comes to the realization that none of this mattered for him, right? So it is only to remove the detachment and everything from Mahabali that he's subjected to this ridicule and he's subjected to this, this treatment, right? So that's what Bhattacharya is saying here. It is to kind of get him to that, push him over, right? To get that complete detachment and devotion to you. So Vishvesham Mam Tripadam Ihakim. tripadamiha kim, comma, yachase balishastvam, sarvam bhumim brunu, comma. So next word, you can break it into three, but then you may not be able to quite say it that way. Kim amunet yalapat tvam. Those are the three words in there, but you try to say it all as one word. Kimamunet yalapat tvam sadripyan. Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase bhalishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu kimamunet yalapat tvam sadripyan.
विश्वेश्वं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यलापत् त्वां सदृप्यन्
किममुनेत्यालपत्वां
किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन्
विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन्
यस्माद् धर्पात् त्रिपद परिपूर्त्य क्षमः. So put a comma after that. So anytime in Sanskrit, the only time actually in Sanskrit where you have to say the visarga, there's no joining word letter, is when ksha comes after the visarga, right? So here that's why after paripurtya kshamaha, you put a comma, you say the visarga. Kshepa vadan, comma, bandham chasa vagamat. So the the is there after ma, you first break it into it. So chasa vagamat, comma, and then the next sentence starts with a a. Atadarhopi ghadhopa shantyai. Yasmadarpat tripada paripurtya kshamaha shepavadhan bandham chasa vagamate atadharhopi ghadhopa shantyai.
यस्माद्यर्पात् त्रिपदपरि
दिया कड़ियादंगा यस्माद्दर्पात्
यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः எனக்கு டியூன் போயிடுது ஒரே ஒரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க
यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान्
यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अतदर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमत् अतदर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै
यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमदत् अदरहोऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै.
No, this is the last line. Atha darhopi. Atha darhopi. The
okay. यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमदत् अधरहोऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै
No, I think so. The last line. Bandham chasa vagamat.
Vagamat. Okay.
Not vagamadat, just vagamat.
Okay.
Because the
Vagamat.
that is there after ma,
Uh-huh.
you're just breaking the into it and a a. That's all.
Okay.
So bandham chasa vagamat, comma, atha darhopi ghadopashanti.
Okay.
அது பிரிச்சு தான் சொல்லணுமா இல்லனா சேர்த்து சொல்ல ஏதாவது
I'll
வழி
say it,
இருக்கா?
Chalam, if you want to say the whole, all these lines, you can say it fully too, right? But then it will
Okay.
become even more difficult. That's all. So
அப்படியா?
that's why we are breaking it in between. That's all.
சேர்த்து எப்படி
Rajesh,
சொல்வீங்க?
Here, children, bandham chasa vagamad. It's difficult because in the the varad. So you kind of you'll anyway end up breaking it.
Okay, okay.
You'll anyway end up breaking it for the tune. So
Rajesh, a quick question.
Hmm.
Vagamad or Vagamat?
Vagamat it first the
Okay.
first the
Da கிடையாது.
no it and a becomes the.
Okay. Thank
Okay, so vagamat it first the. Yes, answer for पादत्रह्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते दातु कामे ततोऽयं दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामाधेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा बभाषे. So when Bali Chakravarti is saying, ask for anything, he keeps saying that again. So for that, Vamana replies, if a person is not satisfied by Padatraya, by land equivalent to 3 of his feet, if he cannot make himself happy with it, he's not going to be satisfied with anything more you give also. He's never going to be satisfied at the end of the day, right? So that's what he's saying. Is no matter how much you give, we always want for that extra one, n+1 we want, right? So he says, 3 feet of land is sufficient for me. I won't need, because if I cannot be satisfied with it, you give me 20, then I'll want the 21st, right? So it doesn't matter, 2 or 3 feet of land is sufficient for me. And he says that is enough. You just give me that. So when Bali Chakravarti is thoyam dhatukame, when he's up, so before you offer something, right, to brahmanas, you put some water, right, as a made of purification. So when Bali Chakravarti is about to put water and he's putting water, so Daityacharya, which is Shukracharya, he is coming and telling that Mama Dheyam, do not give this to him, because Hari Rayamiti, he says he's no one other than Hari himself who has come here, right? So even though he's asking only for 3 feet of land, there is something else into it. So do not give it, because the moment you give it, because remember, like I said, he's already done 99 Ashwamedha Yaga, he's doing his 100. And if he completes it, he becomes the next Indra and he takes over. So, but if he doesn't finish it, he loses it, right? So that's why Shukracharya is saying, do not give it, right? And he's Hari, and if you give it, you're going to end up losing everything you have, right? And when that happens, the entire Asura clan is going to end up losing. So please do not give it. And here, Bhattaripad always, he says that everything is because of your wishing. So he says, you want to test Bali one more time here, right? So you are about to, you want to test him. Parikshartinaha, you want to test Bali one more time. That is why you prompted Shukracharya to go stop Bali, to see what Bali is going to do here. So Pada Traya Yadi na Mudito, comma, Vishtapair Napi Tushyet. Again, put a it at the end of that line. First ta, it at the end of the comma. Next line, D becomes a E. So ityuktesmin varada, comma, bhavate dhatu kameta toyam. Padatrayya yadina mudito vishtapairnapi tushyete ityuktesmin varada bhavate dhatu kameta toyam.
इत्युक्ते पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम् पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम्
पादत्रया यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम्.
The first line, Shitata Garu, Padatraya. It's a half ya and then a full ya. So Traya.
पादत्रय्या यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम्.
Daityacharyaha. That is there. Remove it. Put a visarga and a comma. Daityacharyaha. Thava khalu parikshartinaf. The naha is there. So put a if to join. Parikshartinaf preranatam. Comma. Ma dheyam harirayam iti. Comma. Vyaktam eva bhabhashe, or you can say that together. Vyaktam eva bhabhashe. Daityacharyaha thava khalu parikshartinah preranatam mamadheyam harirayamiti vyaktam eva bhabhashe.
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाभभाषे. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाभभाषे.
Harirayamiti is a short T there. Okay. Harirayamiti.
Mamadeyam harirayamiti vyaktameva bhabhashe.
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामाध्येयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाभभाषे. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवाभभाषे.
Answer fine. Yachatyevam yadi sa bhagavan purnakhamosmi soham dhasyame vastiramidi vadan kavya shaptopi dhaityah bindhya valhya nijadayitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayatto hya purvam. So here, when Shukracharya says that Hari Rayamiti, this is Hari itself, you're going to get tricked. So Bali says, if what you are saying is indeed true, let's say that this is Hari himself. If that Swayam Bhagavan is coming to me and coming and asking me for something, right? How can I say no to that, right? And even if that means I have to end up giving everything, right? So he says, yeah, Yadisa Bhagavan, Purna Khamosmi. You know what? I will actually, it's all of my desires are fulfilled if that Bhagavan is indeed actually coming to me and asking. So he says, I have no, problem with it. If Bhagavan is coming and asking and he wants to take everything from me, he can absolutely take everything from me. So that's what Bali says. He says, I'm not going to listen to you and I'm going to give it. So Shukracharya, he's Kavya Shaptopi Daitya. He then curses Bali. And in Bhagavatam, he talks about further things. He says that, you know what, it's because of you that the Asuras are going to completely lose now, right? You know this is going to happen and you still are willing to go ahead with giving this person whatever he wants. So it's a curse in the sense he's not saying you're going to lose. He's saying that I'm give up, right? It's because of you. The entire clan is going to go away now and you are going to be responsible for these actions. Shukracharya is saying. And then along with his wife, Vindhyavalya is the name of Bali's wife. So she is also joining him. right? So she's also joining him, and they're putting the water, and then he's agreeing to give, agreeing to give Vamana the 3 feet of land. He says, you can take it, and then he's officially offering it to him here. And Chitram Chitram. So Bhattacharya says, oh, what a wonder that, in spite of knowing that he's going to lose everything, Bali is willingly giving it to Vamana here. So Yachat Yevam Yadi Sa Bhagavan, comma, Purna Kamosmi Soham, comma, Dasyam Eva Sthiram Iti Vadhan. Sthiram is very forcefully, he's saying that he's going to give it. Sthiram Iti Vadhan, comma, Kavya Shaptopi Daityaha. Yachatyevam yadi sa Bhagavan Purna Kamosmi Soham Dasyame Bastiramidi Vadan Kavya Shaptopi Daityaha.
याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः
याचत्यावं यदसि भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यामेव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः याचत्यावं यदसि याचत्येवं यदसि भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यामेव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः.
Vindhyavalya, which is one word, that's the name of his wife. Nija Dhaitaya, comma, Datta Padhyaya Tubhyam, comma, Chitram Chitram, comma, Sakalamapi Sa Prarpayat Toya Purvam. Vindhyavalya Nijadaitaya Dattapadhyaya Tubhyam Chitram Chitram Sakalamapi Sa Prarpayat Toya Purvam.
विन्ध्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाधाय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्
Yeah, prarpayat.
Okay. Prarpayatyo toya purvam.
Correct.
Okay.
That's the third line. Datta padhyaya. Dhyaya. Datta padhyaya tubhyam.
Padhyaya tubhyam and prarpayatoya purvam.
Correct.
Vindhyavalya nijadayitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayatoya purvam. Nordana solluma.
Vindhyavalaya nijadayitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayatoya purvam.
So a couple of corrections to the Garu. Vindhya Valya, not Valaya. Valya.
Oh, Valya. Okay.
And then I think Datta Padhyaya. I think you made some.
Okay.
Just say it again. I'll stop you when you.
Okay. Vindhyavalya nijadayitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam. Padhyaya. Elongation. Okay. Dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayatoya purvam.
Prarpayatoya
Purvam.
This is a little this chapter, because of the tune and everything, it's a little bit difficult, compared to others. But the next one is really easy one. 32 is a really small one. So we'll stop here. Sandhanandhaha bodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashata sahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurusharthatmakam brahma tattvam tattavad bhati sakshat guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam janaham कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Have a great